Hello and good evening, and it is evening because for tonight we're going to go and see a fireworks display. So I've arrived here in Raunds and now just wandering around the corner for the cricket club, who are putting on their 6th annual fireworks display. So here over in England, for those that don't know, is we have this tradition leading back to the days of Guy Fawkes. So this chap many years ago had the idea to blow up Parliament and get rid of the government of the day. So I know it's there, but his gunpowder plot failed, and as a result we now have this celebration, I guess, of Bonfire night. So back when I was growing up, we used to have these effigies that we would make, guys, and they would then get put onto the bonfire and set alight. So that doesn't really happen anymore. I'm not sure whether it's because people have just got out of the habit of making papier-mâché heads, or perhaps some 5-year-old in Budley Salterton had nightmares over the burning image and has spent the last 30 years in therapy. Might be one of those, might be something else. So it's something that we don't see very often now, that people go out, make guys, and then actually stick them on their bonfires and burn them. But every November the 5th, or thereabouts, it's actually the 3rd today, the video itself would probably go out on the 5th, we'll have their firework night or bonfire night, and it is for that tradition that it celebrates the successful or the government's successful stop of the attempted burning down of Parliament. And I guess the fire and setting alight represents the punishment if you fail. So we're almost there now, it's just around the next corner, so I'll get inside and we'll see what the situation's like. It's all very dark here, look. But yeah, we'll pick it up from when I'm inside. Right, we're inside. There's quite a number of people and there's quite a lot of music. But over the back, if I can get there, hopefully, you can just make out the top of a fire.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It popped off to explode.
Right, and there we have it. The display is over. Tradition has been upkept. I don't know if it's a celebration now of 12 months without the government being toppled, or just another simple British tradition off the back of an attempted crime. But it's been fun. A fairly decent display for particularly for a local sort of a town. So big up to them, and thanks to all of you for watching. We'll be back next week with the start of my trip to Montenegro. So hopefully we'll see you for that. Thanks for watching. Until the next time. Ta-da!